Probably that tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has